Welcome to another Wise Maths and Science video. It says solve algebraically the simultaneous equations x plus 7y equals 14, 3x minus y equals 9. Now first and foremost what I'm going to do, I'm going to write down the equations. So let's call this equation number 1. Let's label it up. And then let's have a look. I could make the x's the same, the coefficients, or I could make the y's the same. I'm going to focus on the x's right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say equation number 1, what I need to do, I need to multiply this one, multiply by 3, so that we can have a common coefficient of 3x. So let's write that down. X times 3 is 3x. 7y times 3 is plus 21y. 14 times 3 is equal to 42. And I'm going to label this as equation number 3. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to set up a process over here where I'm going to attempt to eliminate this. And the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to say equation number 3, take away equation number 2. So equation number 3, take away equation number 2, and what happens, you'll notice the x's will get eliminated. 3x take away 3x is 0x, we don't need to write that down. 21y minus a negative y will give you 22y. A minus and a minus will make a plus, 22y. And then 42 take away 9 will give you 33. Now if you need to divide through both sides by 22, then you get 33 over 22. Divide the top and bottom by 11, because that's the highest common factor, and then you'll end up with 3 over 2. So therefore the value for y over here is going to be 3 over 2. So let's write 3 over 2 over here, or it could be 1.5. Now let's move over to the next bit then. We need to use this, so let's write that down. Y is equal to 3 over 2. Let's change that. Let's write down y is equal to 3 over 2. And let's write down substitute into equation 1. We could substitute into 1 or equation 2, it's not a problem. So if we do that, you will end up getting x plus 7 lots of 3 over 2 is equal to 14. Now multiply the 7 with the numerator over here, so you get x is equal to x plus, I beg your pardon, 7 times 3 is 21, so you get 21 over 2 is equal to 14. And therefore take away 21 over 2 from both sides, and therefore you'll get x is equal to 14 minus 21 over 2. And x is equal to 14. How many 2's go to 21? Well, it goes 10 times, and there's 1 left over. So this is actually equivalent to 10.5. 10.5. So 14 take away 10.5, x will work out to be 3.5. So it's either 3.5, or you can write it down as a fraction as 7 over 2. Whatever you want to do, it's not a problem. So x is equal to 3.5. Let's write that down over here. X is equal to 3.5. It's not a problem that you've written 1 in fraction, 1 in decimals. You could write it down like this, or you could leave this as 7 over 2. And if you wanted to, this is also equivalent to 1.5. So however you wanted to write it down. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, as it gives me encouragement to make more videos. Thank you and goodbye.